Galaxies are vast systems of dust, gas, dark matter, as well as anywhere from 1 million to 1 trillion stars that are held together by gravity. Nearly all big galaxies are thought to also have one supermassive black hole at their centers. In our very own galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy, the Sun is just among one of the concerning 100 to 400 billion stars that spin around Sagittarius A, a supermassive great void which contains as much mass as 4 million suns. The deeper we check into the cosmos, the many more galaxies we see. It is estimated the visible universe consists of 2 trillion or 2 million galaxies. Several of those far-off systems are similar to our own Milky Way, while others are quite different. But today, astronomers for the first time ever have discovered a galaxy that is comparable in fit and size to that of the Milky Way, existed in one of the most uncommon of places, the very early universe. Dated to just only 1.4 billion years after the Big Bang, when the galaxy was simply 10% its present age. This galaxy, discovered by researchers utilizing the ALMA, or the Atacama Large Array of Telescopes based in Chile, is the furthest Milky Way type of galaxy ever discovered, located more than 12 billion light-years away from our own galaxy, in the constellation of ours, and also the most ancient galaxy of its kind ever seen. Named SPT 041847, the galaxy appears like a near-perfect ring of fire in space, and as it did 12 billion years ago. That means the light from this galaxy has taken a trip for more than 12 billion years to reach us. This exploration reveals that the structures we see in neighboring spiral galaxies, and in the Milky Way, existed as early as 12 billion years back. Cosmologists think that the initial galaxies showed up in the universe about 300 to 400 million years after the Big Bang. After that, its matter had time to cool down to temperatures at which cool clouds of gas can develop, inside which stars can emerge. These prehistoric galaxies of the universe, as astronomers suggest, looked extremely different from their modern-day equivalents. In particular, they were rather little, as well as disorderly, and the stars inside them were created hundreds or thousands of times faster than that of the Milky Way. All the world's largest observatories are trying to find traces of these objects by observing one of the most far-off edges of deep space. Yet, what they found was fairly perplexing. Despite creating stars at a high rate, and therefore being the site of very energized processes, SPT 041847 is the most well-ordered galaxy disk ever before observed in the early cosmos. These unique findings show that this galaxy is surprisingly unchaotic, opposing theories that all galaxies in the early universe were turbulent, as well as unstable. The exploration was made by using light, as well as various other forms of radiation, converting it into a colossal magnifying glass, an effect known as gravitational lensing. The process of magnifying the gravitational fields of another galaxy, here located 3 billion light-years from the Milky Way, at exactly the very same location in the sky, to map the direction, as well as the rate of the gas moving inside this galaxy. The scientists were helped by the high level of sensitivity of ALMA to signals from relocating carbon monoxide gas particles and a few other compounds. They then utilized computer modeling to rebuild the galaxy's true shape and also ran into an extremely unusual phenomenon, that the galaxy resembled our own Milky Way. It ended up that this galaxy does not have an elliptical structure or round shape, as in all other recognized ancient galaxies. Although this galaxy creates stars at a massive rate, and is typically really restless in nature, the issue of its disk turned out to be very organized and ordered. It appeared like a pancake, like the Milky Way, and also other neighboring spiral galaxies. Even though this recently seen galaxy does not have spiral arms, it does have a rotating disk, as well as a central bulge, where a large team of stars are packed tightly around the stellar core, closer in structure to modern galaxies than to the supposedly really chaotic ancient star clusters. This is the first time a bulge has actually been seen this early in the history of the universe. Consequently, it stands for an innovation in the field of galaxy formation, revealing that the structures that we observe in neighboring spiral galaxies, as well as in our own Milky Way, were already in position 12 billion years back. This unanticipated exploration suggests the very early cosmos might not be as chaotic as once believed, raising questions on exactly how a well-ordered galaxy could have been created, so not long after the Big Bang. Studying these galaxies, our far-away, detailed observations, even one of the most powerful telescopes, is still virtually impossible, as the galaxies appear small, as well as faint. However, learning more about remote galaxies is basic to our understanding of just how galaxies were created and also progressed. The discovery of ancient galaxy is one that will most certainly forever change our understanding of the development of galaxies, in the very early days of the universe. Future research studies, including with ESO's extremely large telescope, will look to uncover exactly how normal these infant disk galaxies really are. It will certainly additionally permit astronomers to discover whether they are common and much less disorderly than anticipated, opening up new methods to uncover how galaxies evolved. So what do you think of this remarkable fire galaxy, some 12 billion light-years away, so similar to our own Milky Way? And if there are old galaxies so similar, like this one out there, what do you think a civilization, 10 billion years old, could look like? Comment below and let me know. And for more interstellar happenings, simply click that subscribe button below.